Alright, what I'm gonna do is answer a few questions that um, about that related to that question, to the equation, sorry. So fx equals to x to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus x squared minus 3x, and we know that b equal b, his x is 3, his y is 9. So that's what the graph looks like. So we already know b, which is 3 and 9, and now we're looking for a. So to look for a, it's a maximum. So we have the equation, we find the derivative, like right here, we find the derivative, and to find its maximum and minimum, like a stationary point, we need to put it equals to 0. So I found this, and then I do the equation, and I found that x1 and x2 is equal to 3 and minus 1. So we already know that 3 is b, and minus 1 is a. So we already know a to b, so we trying to find a. So the a coordinates, so to find its all coordinates, we plug x, which we just found, in the equation. So we do all the calculus. It gives us, we do all the calculus here, all the equation. It gives us y equal 5 divided by 3, which means that a, its coordinates is minus 1 and 5 over 3. Then question B. So the question B is write down the coordinates of the image of B after reflection in the y-axis. So reflection of the y-axis. So we have 3 and minus 9. So the reflection is basically a mirrored, like we reflect on the other side, so of the y-axis. So it will change the y to, it is basically going to do y times minus 1 basically. So x, sorry, it's x, it's over the y-axis. So it mirrors x and it becomes minus x, so 3 becomes minus 3. So the reflection of b over the y-axis is in the y-axis, sorry, is minus 3 and minus 9. That's its coordinates. And alright, so b to I, so the vector is minus 2 and 5. So minus 2 and 5, so we know what it does. So it shifts b from, it changes, it does minus 2 to the x and plus 5 to the y. So we can do it easily. So it's 3 minus 9, so we do 3 minus 2, so it gives the x is going to be 1, and minus 9 plus 5, so the y is going to be minus 4. So the b after translation by the vector minus 2, 5 is 1, x is 1, and b is minus 4. Alright, then b3i is b after reflection in the x-axis, so that's the first part of the question. So it's the same thing we just did. So b got 3 minus, so we did it earlier, so it mirrors over x, sorry, I made a mistake there, over x. So minus 9 become 9, so the b is 3 over 9. And so, and then there's also an horizontal stretch with the scale factor of 1 over 2. So an horizontal stretch, so it's a stretch of the y value of a vector of 1.5. So we take the y value, which is 9, and we do it times 1 over 2. So that's equals 4 over 5. And then 4 to the 4.5, sorry. And so we have the b, its x is 3, its y is 4.5, and that's it.